Okay, Sparky.
All right. So since Trixie's back there wigging out,
Yes.
I, I just been really kind of crazy. So I came up with this really easy tip of the week. So you got to change the clocks this weekend.
Thank you
No.
So at
very
two,
much. That was the tip.
Really?
so at 2 a.m. on Sunday morning, you're supposed to turn the clock back an hour, which I always found to be annoying. I mean, I'm supposed to be getting an extra hour of sleep, not walking around the house in the dark resetting clocks.
Well, that's okay when you get up at
So,
3 to take your evening pee. Then go ahead and
mm,
do it then.
well, I actually find black electrical tape is a good cover for those that don't need to be reset. Just cover it up. So falling back, what else does that remind you of? So as they say, change the batteries in your smoker carbon monoxide detectors. So I'll be all over that. It's that time of year, where house fires increase because people do stupid stuff, like they put, wrapping paper in their fireplaces, and then they start the creosote inside the chimney on fire and burn the house down from the inside.
Yes.
Burning
So
down the
there's some
house.
things to do. Another thing that's actually really important to me, more important than, well, turning the clocks back just so you don't go to work late on Monday is probably a good idea. Um, or early. Yeah, you'd
Yes.
be to work early. Yeah, don't go early. They're not giving you overtime anyway. But exercise your valves. This one's actually an interesting one where you should go around and underneath all your sinks and your main shut off, everything. Just go close them and then open them. And then you might want to take the aerator off because if there's any debris in that valve, it will get caught in that aerator. But by doing this, you keep them moving so that in the case of a remodel or an emergency, your valve works.
There you go.
Flush the water heater. It reduces noise and increases efficiency. Mag-Erad works wonderfully. I'll be all over that tomorrow.
That's right.
Um, Clean the refrigerator coils. Yeah, I don't know how many people that say this, and it just kills me. Oh, I didn't know there was a tray under there, or I didn't know that was there. Pull the damn fridge out and clean the coils.
Yes.
Andrew, he said a D word.
Yeah, damn, it's gonna
Uh-huh.
get better. So, and it's if it's gonna be a nice weekend, which I don't know. I know it is for us, cause well, it's always nice down here compared to you. Um, I mean, Halloween, you got 3 inches of snow and it was 20.
Uh-huh.
So we sat at the end of the driveway with two tables. One had our beer on it, the other had the candy, and the whole neighborhood just walks around, and you know what I mean? It's nice out.
Wow.
It's a whole different thing. And there's no kids in my neighborhood, and I went through like, tons of candy.
How much did
It
you
was,
eat?
oh, I don't eat that stuff.
Oh.
I don't anymore.
Oh, really?
Yes, I'm on a new strict diet.
What's that?
Eat half a sandwich at 10, half a sandwich at noon, carrots in the afternoon, and I'm down 15 pounds already. So
Wow. What
just
do
eat
you have for
carrots,
dinner?
and my eyesight's getting better.
Uh,
No, I have a nice dinner, but I just don't overdo it, So cut back on portions. So
Uh-huh.
split a strip or split a porterhouse, that kind of thing. But I mean, I still eat well. Just got to
You
keep the pounds off.
just the
You
amount.
might want to get that furnace cleaned and checked. So if you've
Yes.
already fired it up, if you burn the dust off, you smelled that stuff,
Oh, yeah.
but you don't know if it's working at its true efficiency. Now, this is a real dicey thing because you can go with the cheap service call or a guy that does it well. But even before you come out, ask what it includes. Because here's the thing: anybody can take compressed air and blow the dust off your furnace and your burners and all that.
Yep.
Which I don't recommend doing. You should be drawing it all out with a vacuum. But you want to know, is the guy going to check your electronics? Is he going to adjust pilot if you have a standing pilot, an older version? But the big thing is adjusting burners, the oxygen level for all optimum burn.
Yes.
You want that beautiful blue flame, a 1/4 inch off the pipe. You know what I mean? If you adjust that properly, you're burning your gas.
Right.
I can misadjust that, get a little yellow, and that 95% efficiency, I just got you somewhere to around 84.
Uh-huh.
Then I did the bad job on the ductwork. I got you to 60%. So, make sure you use reputable companies. It is scary. HVAC techs or businesses, they go out of business faster than restaurants.
Yeah.
If you have trees around your house, make sure there are no branches within 5 feet of your roof. By cutting them back, you keep the critters from jumping up on your roof and peeling up your roof vents and getting in your attic.
Yep.
You might want to make up some Rich's Brew, which can be
Oh.
made inexpensively and found. The recipe is on our
Blog page.
Facebook, our Mighty House
Blog page.
blog page. Yes.
Yes.
Couldn't complete that sentence. But anyway, yeah, so it's just a mix of peppers, water, and it's, you just stew it all down and it becomes very, very, very spicy. And most of these critters eat with their hands, with their paws, and they don't like it. So, and then the last thing I guess is we'll change those pads underneath your furniture
Yes.
on your wood floors.
Mr.
'cause they
Floor.
wear down, and you want to preserve the condition of your wood floors.
Yes.
So, and that last one does come from Mr. Floor. I guess
Yeah.
he'll, because I don't know what they're kind of talk about today.
Oh, I'm sure they'll do that. I'm sure.
No, I just did it, so we can skip that. It's already covered. We don't need that anymore. So what else would you do with changing your clocks?
and they
What else
just-
would you do?
They
just
just
Change
walked
your
in.
underwear? It's
They-
been 6 months.
Oh, and Aaron brought toilet paper too.
Rich.
So, instead of changing the batteries in your smoke detectors, change the smoke detectors. Put the ones with 10-year batteries in them. Boom, done. You don't need to worry about it again. All right, we're gonna take another
I'm
quick
good with
break.
that.
Yeah, and we're gonna talk to Aaron here.